Mahindra Oja Remote Control Tractor. Official merchandise from Mahindra. It comes with a dedicated horn switch in the remote control. It comes with Bluetooth speaker, inbuilt tractor engine audio and Oja special features audio. It comes with bright LED headlights. You can also control it using its mobile app that is Marana. It comes with a rechargeable lithium battery and can be charged using USB Type-C cable which comes inside the box.